both the candidates agreed to break the tie by toss coin. And luckily, we have the municipal treasurer, the vice chairperson of the board who will perform the toss coin. So, dalawa lang ang pagpipili natin. So, please choose one face of the coin. Heads, and for Doc Clifford, heads, and for Thomas Lee Santos, tails. So, as a reminder, this will only be performed once. Hindi to best of 3. Once lang. Thomas D. Santos won the toss coin, and he will be ranked number 1 for the position of second in line.